Hello guys, what's going on? Malik Arwin here. So welcome to the channel. Yeah, SDKFX channel. Welcome to you all. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. You can click the subscribe button and click the notification button down below. If you have subscribed, okay, thank you. So as you all see here, we are providing you videos about market on Forex market. So let's take a look at the market right now. So as you all can see here, we are on GBP GPY H4. Yeah, so this setup have been profit from yesterday. So I was long over here. Yeah, around 143. Yeah, 143.80 like that. And then the market just shoot up right here. Then it goes to 145 right now, 145.18. So we would like to see that the price going to break this resistance over here. And then if let's say the price is going to break this resistance, we are going to follow the price as well. So this is one of the setup that have been profit right now, around 140 pips like that. So the other setup that I've taken yesterday is GBP AUD. Yeah, this is H4. As you all can see here, we have profit around 150 pips like that. Yeah, so we would like to see that the price goes up and higher. So this is the pay that I've not yet make a profit, as you all can see here. Yeah, I've shot this pay, yeah, around here, H4. All right, so I've shot this pay around here, but once the prices go down here, and then it just suddenly goes up. Yeah, it's just a spike, and then it goes up here to test the moving average that we've set here. And then the price right now is just uh yeah, moving around here sideways. So I've taken hedging around this area. I've taken hedging by uh, 0.2 lot. So I would like to see that the price goes up, yeah, as well. So hopefully that EU goes up as well. So the total profit that we've made around 170 bucks like that. Yeah, so I would like to see that it goes up around 200 bucks like that. So if you want to know how I make my trade every day, I welcome you to join our group, private group. We have provided you an analysis every day and a signal as well, but we have not guaranteed that you will make profit. Yeah, because this is a high risk and high return uh, trading, so we have we don't want to guarantee you anything. But let's say you want to hop on our shoulder and then you want to know how we make our trade every day. We will provide you better understanding and insight so that you can understand what uh, what we are doing. So if you want to join our channel, join our private group, welcome you to sign up with the link on the description down below. Just click the link and then register your and open your new account, live account, and deposit with any amount that you wanted. You can start trade with us, and then get to know this strategy that I show you, right? So I think that's all for today. I will update you all on every single trade that we have taken every day. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure that you subscribe our channel and then you click the link and register your account, and then start trade with us. Okay, let's make profit together, because the market needs a better analysis. Yeah, better perspective and then better analysis. So let's say that you have your own opinion. Okay, I would like to hear it. Just comment down below, and then I want to know what is the position that you have taken. Is it a long position? Is it a short position, like that? Because this is the trade that I've taken yesterday, so I want to know uh, how was your trade going on this week. So hopefully that you all get a uh, profit as well. So I think that's all. I see you all on next video, right? Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. All right, I'll see you next time.